Virgo, this is your channel messages for the 11th, the 1st of, no, I'm sorry, here's why I'm nervous, because you might hear yelling. It's not she. Anyways, I'm trying to hurry up and do the reading, fast, okay? Today is the 1st of November. I'm your host, Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, tarot reader. Listen, you cannot argue with. In order for you to debate, it has to make sense. If it don't make sense, it's not debatable. So that is my error right now. My rationalizing skills, it will not be understood. So I have to hurry up and do what I have to do, right? Okay. Let us go ahead and go into your reading. Virgo, your channel message is the Strength card, the Star. So I'm getting Virgo, you might be placed on a stage again. I'm getting brush off everything you need to brush off, go back on stage and work it. Virgo, I'm getting you need to have strength, you need to believe in yourself during this time. And I'm getting you need to know you're a star. Okay, Virgo? Beyonce, Zendaya, Kiki Palmer, the list goes on and on of Virgo. Michael Jackson, you're a star, okay? Let's go ahead and go into your tarot card birth chart layouts. Trying to do it fast. Your self-image is a Knight of Swords. I'm getting fast movement, or I'm getting lyrics. This could be rapping. I'm getting fast lyrics. It could be a lawyer, but I'm getting whatever you're doing, you have to be fast, quick-witted. It's not like rapping. Could be a rapper. The Knight of Swords don't give me a rapper energy, but that's what I'm getting from it. It could be a debate, military debate, gun control argument, something like that. What's your value? The Ace of Wands. I'm getting something about how you use weaponry. When is certain type of weaponry okay to be used? Okay? Or I'm getting something about... Wait, let me clarify. Communication is a High Priestess. I'm literally asking you, like you say, if you burn the High Priestess or if you cut her throat. That's what I'm getting. You're saying if you must use a blade on it or if you use fire on it. Something like that. No, this could be something about a house fire that somebody predicted. I'm getting is a building is going to be caught on fire. Some people are going to run and throw things and catch on fire and run off. I'm getting is a hate crime. Or I'm getting you think the hate is coming from the High Priestess. It's not coming. I'm getting you think something come from the High Priestess. What's your home? The Two of Pentacles. Creativity is the Four of Wands. Your productivity is the Seven of Swords. And your partnership is the Eight of Cups. I'm getting you feel like you never got an opportunity because of what the High Priestess brought up something that you didn't want to speak about. So I'm getting you talk to the High Priestess. Oh, okay, for example, you're telling the High Priestess you need more men for army. So she's the one who granted it. I'm getting the High Priestess is like, oh yeah, I'm not gonna give you a lot of men for army because the last time we gave you men, you guys kill half of them and rob them. I don't know. We're not going to send women to cook for you because the last time we gave you women to cook for you, no rape off the whole of the woman them. I'm getting something about taking. I'm kind of getting like, you know, when Khaleesi was supposed to take over ownership of Draco, whatever clan, and they never want to listen to her because she's one girl. Yeah, I'm getting somebody saying, no, it's men only. You can't come in here, you can't go on the battlefield, that's a girl. You don't know nothing about military tactics. You're a girl. When we're going to the army, we have to camouflage. We have to roll on the ground. We have to pow. We have to But that's what we have to do. When you're a girl, you just give them a name and number, one location, and you show up them nice. And right before them come, you make sure say blood clot, FBI, CIA kicking in the door upon them dirty blood clot. See, girls were always used for sexual intelligence, not physical. So I don't know why you keep comparing yourself to a girl when you look like a man. You look like 4 different bricks put together, and I call yourself a blood clot girl. Women were used for intelligence. They weren't really used to run on the battlefield and shoot gun. They were supposed to be sucking the dick of the president to know what the fuck intelligence she needs to know. That's how they use women in war. But apparently, you're thinking with a dick, so you don't know this. Or you rather send a man with a wig on. That's which one. So yeah, I feel like it's a high priestess. Why? Me guessing you feel like a them why the war wasn't won. You feel like a them sabotage your army, or you feel like a them. If them did only reach out, if them did acknowledge it, maybe you'd get help. Me getting your army in itself, the people them around you, themselves, me getting them a tea from them. I told you. Ukraine did not deserve King Zelensky. I fucking told you. They were fuckers anyways. I'm telling you. You should not act like the president of another country. That's what the fuck him should have done. Me getting you couldn't trust your man. I don't know what this is. Me getting on trying to saying it's the high priestess' fault. That this whole big fight I go on. Me getting it's not the high priestess' fault. It's a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius fault. Them thief something. Or they went to a land to ask for land that they did not own to them. The land don't belong to them. What's your inheritance? Let me see what belongs to you. The lover's card. Not even the bitch belong to you. So I'm getting by law, you're supposed to be with this girl. By law, she not getting up, see? By law. This is your inheritance, love. Are me getting you a beg for somebody? You must want beg her for sex her, so you can sex her and control her. That's what you think. Because apparently Queen Khaleesi has the power to make any decision she want. You don't have it, so you think you're gonna dick whip the Empress, so you can make whatever decisions you want to be made, you can reach your goal. You just need the Empress properly so she can back you. Sweetie, she ain't even fucking you. And you should know, you're dealing with a high priestess. She can make you come and then leave in blood clot bed. You think you went her and we'll be like, yeah, so by the way, after she don't suck your dick and you don't suck her, I'm running for mayor. I'm running for presidency. I was wondering if, could you just, help me campaign? And she's supposed to be like, sure, of course, that dick was great. Sure, you're my boyfriend. Sure, you're the only one I can trust. I'm the high priestess. Sure, I'll campaign with you. I'll make sure you win. I'll go out there and shake. I'll hug. I'll kiss a baby for you. I will. She ain't getting dick swept. So you should know. It's like you try to use you try to get a mayor seat, you use a high priestess to get it. A fair seat. You think you fuck the high priestess and when you get the seat, you're gonna discard her, she will take you back out. You fuck her, forget it. Once you fuck her, she'll likely to fuck up your whole life. She's a high priestess. You fuck her once, she has access to your life. You should know this. So I'm getting your plan was to dick sweep somebody into, I don't know, taking your side. After you fuck her, very, very nice. She's going to tell you all the secrets and she's going to tell you everything she knows. She's going to teach you what she knows because your dick was that good. No, sweetie. One thing you should know about the high priestess with the black and white pillars, you have to know to differentiate logic from emotional logic. You have to know to differentiate from real life activities. Sex have nothing to do with real life activities unless we want to bring forth another human. Otherwise, that have nothing to do with no decision making progress in your life. So again, if you thought you was going to use somebody, dick sweep them and use them, like, oh yeah, you need to know if you're with a high priestess, you're going to be living in her shadow. You need to know this. So I don't know what kind of opportunity you try to create to make you feel like you and the high priestess is on the same level. You're going to always be in her shadow. You need to know that. Even if you're out with her on business meeting, she'll not kiss you, she'll not hug you up. She's going to be cold just like a man because she's out in public, because she's doing business. So I'm getting your job is for the high priestess so you can get her vote, so you can get a seat. Unless you're not comfortable with big, you better be comfortable like Mr. Petty. You better fucking comfortable like A$AP Rocky. You better do not be uncomfortable like Brad Pitt. Don't. Not Brad Pitt. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to call Brad Pitt's name. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, excuse me. Yeah. I'm so sorry. They called me the wrong name just a while ago. My name is Mrs. Pitt. So sorry. I don't know why they do that. So disrespectful. So terrible, right? What name? What a fucking guy name, not Brad Pitt. What do with J-Lo? Don't stress out like him, please. J-Lo stress. That ass is insured and she's still stressed the fuck out. Ben Affleck. Don't be stressed out like Ben Affleck. Huh? Can you imagine? Ben Affleck have like a insured multi-million-dollar ass riding his every night and he's unhappy. Can't please these for nothing. I'm gonna leave it here until next time. Good. Did I put some of this? I don't remember if I did. Emperor. So we have the Emperor coming out. We have Capricorn. We have PhD. We got Pisces. And we got There's a Ghost in My Room. So I don't know which Emperor I try to can use it for status. When I'm for medical school purposes. I don't know what this is. I don't know if they want doctor, they want psychiatrist, they want chiropractor, somebody think them can cure for your fame. And you will put them on. Sweetie, the only thing they're putting on is a condom. I'm going to leave it here until next time. Bye.